Tonight we're giving away $2,000 worth of camera gear. Actually, over $2,000 worth of camera gear. That's a lot of money, dude. So we're gonna give away a bunch of camera gear right over here for tonight's Coffee and Creators Meetup, which is this awesome community event that I've been hosting for about a year, where I just invite creatives around the Dallas-Fort Worth area, and I just want to give back to them tonight in a really special way. And so yeah, gonna give away a bunch of camera gear, super excited. And for those of you watching, thinking that you're missing out, I'm giving away a Sony ZV-E10 vlog kit. That's right. 4 of them to you. Well, I'm not giving them away. Sony's giving them away. The Vlog Challenge is back. The Sony Vlog Challenge is one of my favorite events of the year because it's a chance for you to tell your story. And the theme for this year is the power of doing good. Think of it as doing one small act that creates a ripple effect that can impact the lives of many people. Whatever that is, tell that story in the form of a YouTube video or a YouTube short, a TikTok video, an Instagram reel, or in-feed video on Instagram. All the details of the Sony Vlog Challenge are down in the description below, so definitely check that out if you want a chance to win a Sony ZV-E10 vlog kit. You also get the Sony wireless grip and a 128 gigabyte SD card, a $1,000 vlog package. It's kind of nice. If you want to enter, the contest starts right now and it ends on June 30th. And after that, myself and a panel of amazing creators will be judging your submissions, and then on September 8th, a winner, or 4 winners rather, will be chosen. Again, all the details will be down in the description below, so definitely check that out. But I am excited to give away some gear now.
I've been creating content for other people, for other clients, and I keep coming to these Coffee and Creators meetups with you, and you guys were like, make a YouTube channel. So I did.
I first came here because I really needed like filmmaking friends in DFW, and strangely it worked out the first day, like the first event. And it was like, hey, I like making films. Oh, I'm interested too.
So Coffee and Creators is held here in Plano, Texas, at this awesome place. I mean, this is cool, right? And usually Coffee and Creators starts out with just people coming in and just mingling. And like, look at this. This is awesome. And what's great is that a lot of these people have actually become friends outside Coffee and Creators. But now we're gonna go inside, we're gonna start the Q&A, and this is the section where people ask questions about how to do YouTube, how to get clients, stuff like that. I give the best advice that I can, and also people share their stories of how they're doing as a creator. And so yeah, we're gonna go inside, do the Q&A, and then give away.
For me, the hardest part about planning the videos is getting them at the execution level that I want to.
I would say give yourself a deadline. You have X amount of months for pre-production, and the more you plan, then when it comes time to execution, it's gonna be so much better.
I have a new channel. I've got three videos out, yes.
That's what I'm talking about.
Yeah, so I feel like I'm at like a therapy, like thank you everybody for your support. How many hours each week do you shoot, and how many hours each week do you edit?
So for me to create a first assembly of any video is 30 minutes. And then another 30 minutes for me to refine those cuts, like to make sure to take out the ums, ifs, and buts, to make sure the pacing is okay. And then 6 hours to do everything else.
As of this weekend, I'll have my first video with a new channel. It's all about helping people, finding art in unexpected places, whatever that is, and it really came from meeting everybody here.
All right, so now we've done the Q&A, and now we're gonna give away some gear. Woo. Really excited. Which do we give away first? There's so much. This is a really fun travel mouse. First winner is Diongzon. There you go, buddy. Next one is a simple RGB light. The second winner is Duke Morris. So CF Express and SD card slot, super fast transfer speeds. The winner is Derek Chowder. The winner for this light is John Mayer. There you go, baby. Now on to the grand prize. The winner for the Ninja 5 is Luke Melvin. Look at you. So that wraps up the first giveaway night for Coffee and Creators. This is my thanks to everyone here. Like, this has meant so much to me. Like, I just wanted to hang out with creative people in the area, but you guys have made this so meaningful. Big round of applause to everyone here. You guys are awesome. So we just finished the giveaway. We gave away some awesome gear. Everyone was super excited. And look, it's just, look at this. This is community, you know what I mean? So all thanks to Coffee and Creators. And so yeah, if you want to do something like this, like you don't have to do something epic and big for the Sony Vlog Challenge. It could be something very simple, like cleaning your brother's room or picking up litter by the beach or whatever it is. Film your story, the power of doing good. Share it on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and I can't wait to see what you come up with.